All right, Toby wants to find the volume of a solid toy soldier. He fills a rectangular container. So I'm going to stop reading and highlight this. It's rectangular. So he fills a rectangular container 8 centimeters long, 6 centimeters wide, and 10 centimeters high with water to a depth of 4 centimeters. Toby totally submerges the toy soldier in the water. So he's finding the volume by displacement. The height of the water with the submerged toy soldier is 6.6 centimeters. Which of the following is closest to the volume in cubic centimeters of the toy soldier? So to find the volume of the soldier, we're finding volume by displacement here. So we need to take the volume of the water after he submits the toy soldier into it, and then subtract the initial volume of the water in the container. So to find the initial volume, we're just going to find the volume of the rectangular figure. Initial volume, it was 8 centimeters long, 6 centimeters wide, and he filled it up to a depth of 4 centimeters. So volume we know is length times width times height. Initial volume was 8 times 6 times 4 to get 192 centimeters cubed. Then after he sunk the toy soldier in the water, the length and the width don't change, but the depth does. The height of the water does change. Now, the height of the water is 6.6 centimeters. So to find the volume after the soldier is in the water, you're going to do 8 times 6 times 6.6. And then there we get 316.8 centimeters cubed. Then we're just going to take both of those answers and substitute them back into our original equation here. So the volume of the soldier is 316.8 centimeters cubed, which is the volume at the end, minus our initial volume, which was 192 centimeters cubed. When you subtract this, you get that the volume of the soldier is 124.8 centimeters cubed. If you look at our choices, 124.8 centimeters cubed is not a choice. However, that's okay, because if you read the questions, it says which of the following is the closest to the volume. So then we got 124.8. We just want to find the answer that is the closest to that, which would be A, 125.